Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you our future. Our future. Our future. Our future. To the end of the ceremony. Let's go. Look around us, there ain't no fences, just bridges to the ears of the listeners. On deck, take a swing, sharper senses, looking for a weakness in the system. Finally, it's you and me, here shaking like a tambourine. We in this finally, both sides of the cemetery. Attention people, y'all get ready. This is for everybody. Try to catch up, we out here. Let me introduce to you. Try to catch up, we out here. That future hit. Are you ready? That future hit. Take a minute to refrain from acting green. If you're losing, you should join another team.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally here. In today's video, I'm showing you guys how to get a silk press look without having to fry your natural hair or spend hours in a salon. The wig that I'm going to be showing you guys is by XrsBeauty, and I've heard a lot of great things about their particular units. They have a new clear lace unit that's going to give you that invisible lace, natural hair silk press look. It's going to give you that look like you just stepped out of a Dominican salon without having to apply heat to your natural hair. So we are all about that on this channel. So this is what the unit looks like. The hairline is so lush, guys. When I saw how well it was pre-plucked and how thin this invisible lace is, y'all, I was blown away. Now, before I get questions about my head wrap, it is pre-tied and I will link it down in the description box. It's amazing. But moving on to the wig, I like to first try the wig on. I did get mine in length 24, which is a bit excessive. You could get a shorter length, especially for the summertime, a nice bob length, maybe length 12, length 14, even 16 would look really natural and beautiful, but I wanted some extra hang time, which is goals, right? But can we get into this wig? It is giving what it was supposed to give. Look at this, y'all. This looks so realistic. It is insane how good this looks. Now, I do have a low hairline, so I love that it covered my hairline really well. Somebody who doesn't have a low hairline, this unit is going to look even better on you. One thing to keep in mind, because this is such thin lace, your stocking cap will probably have to be done in the ball cap method, which I will demonstrate later. But if you're somebody who doesn't have a low hairline, you could potentially just cornrow your hair down and then just put the unit on over and then use your skin as a base under, which is going to create a really natural look. I hope that makes sense. So now we're going to get into the different types of lace. I'm going to be showing you guys 3 different types. The first one is the transparent lace, second is brown lace, and then the last one is the new clear, invisible, undetectable lace that I'm showing you all in this video. So I'm going to show you guys what each type of lace looks like when applied to my skin. So the first one is the regular transparent lace. This particular lace is a lace that can be tinted, but it's not as undetectable as clear lace. It is a common lace that many people use, but it is on the thicker side. The next one is the brown lace. Brown lace is lace that's good for a darker skin tone. The color of the lace can't necessarily be altered when tinting. It is on the thicker side, and you will be able to see this when wearing this on a wig. But the last one, the clear lace, this is a lace that's invisible. It melts really nicely into the skin, and it's gonna create a really natural, seamless look. Videos on the clear lace have been trending lately, and I've been watching quite a few of them. One in particular did share that when using the Gossipy glue spray, that it does actually fold when you put it on your hairline. So I wouldn't recommend using that. I'm going to be using the bedhead spray, but you can also use wig glue. That's going to give you an even better look, but y'all know I don't use wig glue. But taking a closer look at each type of lace, you can see that the transparent lace looks good, but it needs to be tinted and it is a little thicker. The brown lace is very apparent. You can obviously see that that one isn't undetectable, but the clear lace, it melts seamlessly into the skin and it looks really, really natural. I also try to show you guys what the different types of lace look like in different types of lighting, and the clear lace looks even better in natural sunlight. You're really able to see how invisible it is, which is pretty cool. So now I'm going to quickly show you guys how I do the ball cap method.
the time. I'ma show you something that'll come and blow your mind. Better get ready, better hold steady, better hold on tight, 'cause I got something for your appetite.
Now, I also like to allow the Got2b glue enough time to air dry. You don't necessarily have to do that. You can just blow dry it the entire time. But while I was allowing it to air dry, I decided to straighten the hair just to get any crimps from the packaging out. So that's what I'm doing now.
Here's what I'm all about, what I'm all about, what I'm all about. Here's what I'm all about. Let me show you now, let me show you now. Show you what I'm all about. Just watch me now, just watch me now. Here's what I'm all about, what I'm all about, what I'm all about. Here's what I'm all about.
Now that I finished straightening the hair, I'm going to go in and cut the excess stocking cap around my hairline off, and then I'm going to proceed to install the unit.
Got the rhythm playing in your ear. Now the wait is over, all you want is finally here. I got the sound and I got the color shining in your eyes. I got something here you can't deny. Here's what I'm all about, what I'm all about, what I'm all about. Here's what I'm all about. Let me show you now, let me show you now. Show you what I'm all about. Just watch me now, just watch me now. Here's what I'm all about, what I'm all about, what I'm all about. Here's what I'm all about. That's what I'm all about. See what I'm all about. Show you what I'm all about. Ooh. Here's what I'm all about. What I'm all about. Oh yeah, here's what I'm all about. Let me show you now. Let me show you now. Show you what I'm all about. Just watch me now. Just watch me now. Here's what I'm all about. What I'm all about, what I'm all about. Here's what I'm all about. Show you 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 what I'm all about. Here's what I'm all about. You know what I'm all about. Hey, show you what I'm all about. Show you what I'm all about. Show you what I'm all about. Just watch me now. Just watch me now.
As stated earlier, it may not be recommended to use the Got2b glue spray in order to lay this type of lace down. However, the bedhead spray worked out really well. The hairline is looking really good. And for this install, I'm doing one section at a time, just spraying the bedhead under the lace and then proceeding to lay the lace down. I'm blow drying it on the cool setting until it's dry. And then I proceed to cut the lace off in the front. After doing this, you might notice that the lace is not completely seamless. So you just need to add more of the bedhead spray under the lace and then use the back of your rat tail comb in order to press into the lace so that it's flush to the skin.
Yeah, I think this is it. Put me on the list. We so VIP. Go ahead, take a sip. Cruising on the strip. Let's go take a ride. Hey, we too legit. We don't even try. 100-meter dash on the track. Where we at though? Don't be trying to smash on the gas. Just relax, yo. They say don't be gone for too long. We be bad, yo. They say don't be average. Feeling like a classic. Yeah. Let me tell you what I'm feeling like. Cool. How everybody trying to feel tonight. Cool. It's cool. Let me tell you what I'm feeling like. Cool. How everybody trying to feel tonight. Cool. It's cool. I'm feeling cool. I'm feeling cool. It's cool. They like, who is that? Just try to relax, yeah. Cooling out, ayy. Pull up to the back, we just in the cut chillin'. I got a gut feeling. They ain't get enough, we having fun with it. Yeah, got me feeling like a couple stacks. Don't you hit me up, I'ma call you back. Ayy, I'm taking my time, play it real smooth. Ayy, Hey, we hotter than the summer, but we still.
Now, because I'm wearing makeup, I did decide to use my contour stick in order to blend everything out. So I'm using this one by Black Radiance in color Espresso. I'm just gonna go over the areas where I naturally contour while blending it over into the lace using a brush. So at this point, I decided to define the part a little more. And y'all, what I realized is that you get a really good amount of parting space with this unit. I believe there's about 6 inches of parting. So after creating my side part, of course, you could do a middle part as well, but I decided to go for a side part. I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in color Fawn. I'm going to use that along the part using a small little brush in order to define the part. And that's going to give it more of a natural look. I feel like the color that I tinted it might have been a little too dark. So this color just helps to blend everything out and cause it to look more like scalp. And then to add a nice finishing touch, I like to add the Sebastian Shaper to the top area near the parting, and this is going to help to flatten everything out. It also gives the hair a really nice sheen, so I like to spray this on first, and then I use my flat iron in order to flatten everything out, and it's going to look so amazing.
Watch me go. I got the voice and I got that flow. For all the girls, gotta let them know we the ones that run this show. We've been around the block, not in it for the rock. I'm in it for my paper. Hey, you ain't gonna make me stop. Got that vibe, got that vibe. Yeah, I ain't petty. Looking fly, looking fly, looking fine. Yeah, they ain't ready. I can shine, I can shine, I can shine. I'ma do what I'm made to do. I'ma do what I'm made to do.
Y'all, I see what all the hype was about. This clear lace is so bomb. It looks so realistic. I cannot even believe that this is a wig. It looks so great. Their new upgraded design looks amazing. So right now I'm just showing you guys how deep the parting space is. I am going to show you guys a quick style and then show you guys what it looks like in natural sunlight. Be sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe. Also check the description for all the links and specifications to this unit. I look forward to your comments and feedback, y'all. I cannot wait to hear what y'all think. Be sure to follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. Subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.
Only one of me. That's all is all I need. I'm real, better watch me go. I got the voice and I got that flow. For all the girls,